Hello, Digital Learning here. Today I'm going to introduce you to Nearpod in less than 90 seconds. You will go to your class link, which you can find in your managed bookmarks, and you will locate the Nearpod app. I have saved Nearpod to my favorites. Once you are in Nearpod, you will notice that this is your home screen. You have two places to start creating, and you can also search any lesson that you would like. Best way to search for lessons already made are coming to the Nearpod library. Once you have created your lessons or saved lessons from the library, you can launch them with your students in real time. By selecting the live participation, you will be able to move the slides for the students and they will not be able to move ahead. If you'd like to assign a lesson to students to do on their own, you would select Student Pace. Launching a lesson will provide a code that the students type into their Nearpod app join code. And when you're here, as you can see, I've added several slides to engage the students in their learning. The best part of Nearpod is the time to climb, as you will notice with your students. You can select a place to take them to and play a game that will provide you feedback on their learning. If you would like more support with Nearpod, please contact your digital specialist. We look forward to hearing from you.